Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do a fun activity based on storage device. You have already learned about this device in class. Now you will get a chance to identify real hardware and explain it in your own words. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's begin.
This is RAM. This stands for random access memory. This is a primary memory and it stores data temporarily. So it is called as volatile memory and we can found it in CPU. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is hard disk. It is a high capacity storage device and it is a secondary storage device. It is inserted inside the CPU. When someone works in the computer, automatically the data and the work is stored inside it. Its capacity is from 1 TB to 2 TB. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is SSD. SSD stands for solid state drive. It contains a huge amount of data like hard disk. SSDs are faster in comparison to hard disk. Thank you. Good morning, respected principal sir, respected teachers, and dear my friends. This is a pen drive. Today I can tell something about pen drive. Pen drive is also known as USB flash drive. It is a small sized storage device, but it stores large amount of device. It stores and transfers data. It connects to a computer. Pen drive is very lightweight and easy to carry. Something more about pen drive. Pen drive was invented by IBM in 1998. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Today I tell about the memory card. This is a memory card. It is also known as chip. It stores a large amount of data in a small place. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you about DVD. DVD is also known as digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It